We've all heard of George and Robert Stephenson's historic contribution to railway history. Their locomotive works was here, near the central station in Newcastle. It provided engines for the world. In 2004, the City Council decided to improve the rundown area near the old works. Stephenson Quarter was an obvious new name. The contractors cleared the 4-hectare site. It included a builder's merchant and Arnold Clark's Ford van dealership. The Clouston Group obtained the site. It faced the global recession before building could start. The company sold the land to the City Council. It kept first dibs on small plots for piecemeal development. Clouston built the multi-storey car park and the Crowne Plaza Hotel. It also repurposed the boiler shop in Phase 1 of the project. Its special deal with the council ended in 2008. In 2020, the council agreed to a new contract. It was with joint developers PFP Capital and Igloo Regeneration. The boiler shop stands on the site of part of George and Robert Stephenson's locomotive works. They set up the factory in 1823. Most of that old workshop has gone, but Soundstreet's boiler plant and offices remain. The venue now resounds to a different beat. Pop music and gyrations provide the rhythm instead of heavy hammers bending iron. The Crowne Plaza Hotel opened in 2015. It offers over 250 4-star plus rooms. The hotel's atrium reception area uses 114 glass panels. The building also offers a spa, gymnasium and swimming pool. Space architects designed this and the adjacent car park. Metal technology supplied the aluminium glazing system. The North East Futures University Technical College is another new build. It welcomes 14 to 19-year-old students for vocational courses. It has links to digital, medical and science sectors to provide an onward experience. The Rocket office development is another Clouston build. It provides a base for Concentrics, a business consultancy focused on new technology. The Pioneer building will rise in the central area, now cleared for action. Alford, Hall, Mohn and Morris are the architects. Sunlight floods in. It will afford stunning views. we will approach the distinctive colonnade entrance from Stephenson Square. It will open into a double-height reception. The offices, spread over 1,114 square metres, have no columns, but terraces on each level. This high-quality structure will form a handsome centrepiece. We all recognise good architecture, whether in utility or as pleasing views. The parts of Stephenson Quarter make no effort at uniformity. Each component is a function of its space and use. Fine materials and soaring visions build a bold future that new generations will admire.
Watch more from Radio Jonaphone. Subscribe to the channel. Enjoy.